Hetauda. According to a legend originating from Mahabharata, there is a tale of Bhimsen's encounter in Hetauda during the exile of the five Pandavas. It is said that Bhimsen bravely defeated a demon named Hidamba and even married Hidamba's sister. The location of Hetauda, where the Hidamba monster resided, was once a dense forest in a time when the human population was scarce. The place where Bhimsen fought with the demon and killed Hidamba and married his only sister Hidambi or Bhutani Devi was known as Hidamba. However, it is believed that over time the name of the place underwent a distortion and eventually became known as Hetauda. Interestingly, the very same Bhutani Devi, who was Hidamba's sister, is presently revered as an ancestral god by the local residents of Hetauda. There is also a place called Bhimfedi named after Bhimsen. Thank you.